This is English conversation practice for beginners.
And today, we are going to teach you phrases, simple, useful phrases that you can use everywhere.
At work, at school, with friends, with strangers, every single day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We are really happy you are here with us today.
This episode is special because the phrases you learned today, you can start using them immediately, today, right now.
No complicated words, no long grammar rules, just real, natural English that people actually say.
So get comfortable, press play, and let's learn together.
Before we start, a quick thing. If this is your first time here, welcome. We make English easy.
We post new English practice every day. So if you want to improve your English, just hit subscribe. It takes 1 second.
And if today's video helps you, give it a like. It really helps other people find us too.
Oh, and share this with someone who is also learning English. Learning together is so much more fun.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
So, Mike, today's topic is phrases you can use everywhere. Why did we choose this topic?
Great question. You know, many students learn a lot of English words, but then in real life, they don't know what to say. The words just disappear.
Yes, that happens to so many people. They study hard, but when a real person talks to them, nothing comes out.
Exactly. So today, we are going to fix that. We will give you ready-to-use phrases, phrases that work in many situations.
Think about it. Every day you greet people, you agree with someone, you ask for help, you say thank you. These things happen all the time.
And today, you will have the exact words to say in those moments.
We will cover 5 groups of phrases: greetings, agreeing and disagreeing, asking for help, showing feelings, and saying goodbye.
5 groups, lots of practice, and it will all feel natural by the end. Stay with us. We'll do a full practice round at the end of the video.
Okay, group 1, greetings and starting conversations. Mike, let's show them.
Sure. So, Sarah, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Mike. How have you been?
Pretty good, thanks. Busy, but good. What about you?
I'm doing well. A little tired, but happy.
That's good to hear.
Okay, did you catch those? Let's go through them. Good to see you. This is a warm, friendly greeting. You say it when you meet someone you know.
And they answer, good to see you too. Always add to at the end. That's very natural.
Then, how have you been? This means, how are you? How is your life lately?
And the answer, pretty good, thanks. Pretty good means not perfect, but good. It's a very natural, casual answer.
You can also say, not bad, thanks. Or, I'm doing well, thanks. All of these work perfectly. You can say, pretty good, not bad, I'm doing well. All 3 are correct and natural.
Now, what if you meet someone for the first time? That's different. You say, hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
And they say, nice to meet you too. I'm Sarah.
Simple, right? Nice to meet you. Use this with new people. Good to see you. Use this with people you already know.
That's a great tip, Mike. Many beginners mix those 2 up.
Yeah, it happens, but now you know the difference. In this situation, meeting someone new, always say, nice to meet you, not good to see you, because you are seeing them for the first time.
And one more starter phrase. How's everything going?
Oh, I love that one. Very casual, very friendly. You can say it to a coworker, a neighbor, a friend.
And the answer can be super short. All good, thanks. Or a little longer. Pretty busy this week, but okay.
Both are perfect. You choose how much to say. Okay, group 2. This one is really important. Agreeing and disagreeing politely.
This is so useful because in real conversations, people share opinions all the time, and you need to respond, agree, disagree, or something in between.
Let's practice. Sarah, I think mornings are the best time to study English.
Oh, I totally agree. Mornings are quiet and your brain is fresh.
Exactly. And I think watching English videos every day really helps.
You're absolutely right. Little by little, it gets easier.
Okay, now let's disagree, politely. Sarah, I think grammar is the most important thing in English.
I'm not sure I agree with that. I think speaking and listening are more important for beginners.
That's a fair point. I can see what you mean.
We can agree to disagree.
Perfect. Did you notice how Sarah disagreed? She didn't say, "You're wrong." She said, "I'm not sure I agree with that." Very polite, very natural.
Any wish, how you say something is just as important as what you say. Polite disagreement sounds much better.
So, here are the phrases. For agreeing, I totally agree. You're absolutely right. That's so true. Exactly.
For disagreeing politely, I'm not sure I agree. I see it a little differently. That's a good point, but I'm not so sure about that.
And if you're in the middle, not fully agreeing, not disagreeing, that's a fair point. I can see what you mean. Maybe, but you can say, that's a fair point. This is a great phrase when you want to be kind, but also share your own idea.
Viewers, think about this. When do you agree or disagree in your language? Now you have the English words for those same moments.
Practice one today. Say it out loud right now. I totally agree. Go on, say it.
Yes, don't be shy. Speaking out loud is how you remember. Stay with us. We'll practice all these phrases again at the end. Don't go anywhere. Group 3. Asking for help and asking someone to repeat or explain. This one is so important.
Right, because in real life, you won't always understand everything, and that's completely normal.
Even native speakers sometimes say, "Sorry, what?" Or, "Can you say that again?" It happens to everyone.
So don't feel embarrassed. Just use the right phrase. Let's practice.
Mike, could you help me with something?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the train station. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's just down the road, about 5 minutes from here.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Happy to help. Beautiful. Let's look at those phrases. Could you help me with something? Very polite, very natural.
Could you is softer than can you. Both are fine, but could you sounds a little more polite.
And the answer, of course, or sure, or no problem. All of these mean yes, I'm happy to help.
Now, what if you don't understand something someone said? Here's what you say.
Sorry, could you repeat that? Or, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Or, could you say that more slowly, please?
And people will not be upset. They will just repeat it. That's it.
Let's try. Sarah, say something fast.
The meeting is on Thursday at 2:30 in the main conference room.
Whoa, sorry, could you repeat that a little more slowly?
Of course. The meeting is on Thursday at 2:30 in the conference room.
Perfect, thank you. See? No problem. Easy. You can say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? This is polite, natural, and used every day.
And one more very useful phrase. What does mean? If you don't know a word, just ask.
For example, what does conference mean? And someone will explain it for you.
Never be afraid to ask. Asking questions is how you learn.
Group 4. Showing feelings and reacting to what people say. This makes conversations feel alive.
Yes, when someone shares news with you, you need to react. Otherwise, it feels a little strange.
Like a robot, just staring.
Exactly. So let's practice reactions. Mike, tell me some news.
Okay. Sarah, I just got a promotion at work.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Congratulations. You must be so happy.
I am. I'm really excited.
You deserve it. You work so hard.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Did you hear those reactions? Oh, wow, that's amazing. Congratulations. You must be so happy. These are all positive reactions.
Now, let's try a sad reaction. Sarah, tell me something not so good.
Mike, I lost my keys this morning. I was late for everything.
Oh no, that's so frustrating. Are you okay?
Yes, I found them eventually, but it was stressful.
I'm glad you found them. That always happens at the worst time.
Oh no. Simple, but so useful. That's so frustrating. Are you okay? These show you care.
Here are the key reaction phrases. For good news, that's amazing. How exciting. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
For bad news, oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds really tough. Are you okay? I hope things get better soon.
For surprising news, really? Wow, I didn't expect that. Are you serious? No way. No way doesn't mean you're refusing. It means you're very surprised. It's casual and fun.
And for everyday small reactions, oh, interesting. Good to know. That makes sense. Fair enough.
These little phrases keep the conversation going. They show the other person you are listening.
And that feels really good. Everyone likes to feel heard.
Okay, group 5, and this one is quick. Saying goodbye. You'd think this is easy, but there are so many ways to do it in English.
That's true. Goodbye is a little formal. In real conversations, people say so many different things.
Let's do a few. Sarah, I have to go now.
Already? Okay, take care.
You too. Talk soon.
Have a good one.
Thanks. You too. See you later.
So many options. Take care, talk soon, have a good one, see you later, catch you later. Have a great day.
And if it's the end of the day, have a good evening. Or enjoy your weekend if it's Friday.
Very natural, very friendly, and very easy to remember. Have a good one. One here means day, evening, or weekend. It works anytime. Super flexible.
Quick tips before we review. Tip 1. You don't need to use long phrases every time. Short is often better.
Exactly is just as good as I completely and totally agree with everything you said.
Tip 2. Tone of voice matters as much as the words. Say, oh no, with feeling, not flat like a robot.
Try it. Oh no, with feeling. Big eyes, surprised face. That's natural English.
Tip 3. If you forget a phrase, it's okay to pause and say, how do I say this? Native speakers do that too.
And tip 4, practice one phrase every day. Just one. Use it in a real situation. That's how it sticks. One phrase a day, that's 30 new phrases every month. That's 365 phrases every year. You'll be fluent before you know it. Okay, let's review what we covered today. 5 groups of everyday phrases.
Group 1. Greetings. Good to see you. How have you been? How's everything going?
Group 2, agreeing and disagreeing. I totally agree. I'm not sure I agree. That's a fair point.
Group 3. Asking for help. Could you help me? Sorry, could you repeat that? What does mean?
Group 4, showing feelings. That's amazing. Oh no, I'm sorry. Really? No way.
And Group 5. Saying goodbye. Take care. Have a good one. Talk soon.
5 groups, so many phrases, and you can start using all of them today.
You listened, you practiced, and you learned. That is something to feel good about.
Now, your turn. We want you to practice in the comments.
Pick any phrase from today and write a sentence. It can be simple. Here are some ideas to help you out.
Good to see you. Blank. Write a name.
Or, I totally agree. English practice is blank.
Or, that's amazing. Today I blank.
Any of those work. Write whatever feels natural to you. Even one sentence is great.
And if you see someone else's comment, reply to them. Say, good job, or I agree. Practice together as a community.
That's real English practice, and it's free, right here in the comments.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It honestly means everything.
You chose to learn today. You pressed play, you listened, and you practiced. That is not small, that is big.
Every phrase you learn is one more step forward, and those steps add up so quickly.
Tomorrow, we have a brand new episode for you. It's called English Conversations at Home, Simple Speaking Practice.
We'll practice talking about your home, your rooms, your family, and your daily habits at home. So natural, so useful.
Subscribe now so you don't miss it. The bell button is right there. Tap it.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
We'll be right here with you every single day.
See you tomorrow.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.